So what is Hadoop? Only recently has this previously obscure platform become immensely popular. In a nutshell, Hadoop is an open source platform used for the processing and storage of big data applications. Written in Java, the core distribution of Hadoop is pretty simple and is not that hard to learn. But because it's written in Java, Hadoop is naturally picked up by Java developers faster than developers who are versed in other languages. Hadoop has achieved major buzzword status, and to many people, Hadoop means big data. Since Hadoop is at the center of many big data applications, there are many jobs out there available to developers who understand it. Apache Hadoop is a software framework that consists of components and other tools for analytical and large data warehousing applications. Hadoop is based on the concept of divide and conquer. It uses distributed processing for computation and storage across different nodes in a cluster. Hadoop is heavily used by Yahoo, Facebook, and many other Fortune 500 companies. Originally created in 2005, Hadoop has become immensely popular and has become synonymous with big data. Hadoop is an open-source, top-level Apache project. Like other top-level projects such as Linux, Hadoop is ever-evolving as the global community of developers and contributors are constantly adding features and adding improvements. So what does all this mean for the software developer? Hadoop has been synonymous with big data and the recent buzzwords that big data represents. With big data comes big responsibility and big opportunity. Because Hadoop and big data have become the next big thing, it can easily become your next big thing. Big data has opened up new job opportunities in the development field. There are two central components to the Hadoop framework. First, the MapReduce framework is designed to compute large volumes of data in parallel. This requires clustering data across multiple machines. A MapReduce task involves two steps, mapping and reducing. The algorithm for MapReduce is not new, but has become popular because of Hadoop. First, a mapping program reads and performs filtering and sorting, such as sorting employees by last name into queues. Then a reduce program then acts as an aggregation step, perhaps summarizing names into like names and counting them. MapReduce operates in parallel over many MapReduce nodes. Mappers and reducers are unaware of each other and operate independently. Next is the Hadoop Distributed File System, or the HDFS. The HDFS is designed to be used by large files. The default file size of an HDFS segment is 64 meg. The HDFS has a transfer rate of 100 megabytes per second, which has a seek time of about 10 milliseconds. The HDFS makes use of two daemons called the master and the name node to manage files and maintain their metadata across the cluster. Hadoop was originally developed from the Google File System and Google MapReduce. Being open source, Hadoop is free and usage is covered under the Apache 2.0 license. One of the unique design features of Hadoop is it works on the principle of moving computation near data rather than the traditional way of